This one the problem no day. The most strongest and healthiest 21-year-old gentleman ISHOWSPEED is in Ghana. Clap for him. ISHOWSPEED landed in Ghana at the Kotoka International Airport around 2 a.m. and the kind of reception he's receiving from the Ghanaian community is so heartwarming. Yes, the reception Ghana is offering ISHOWSPEED is so refreshing and well calculated, and by now the most strongest and healthiest gentleman ISHOWSPEED will be thinking about retiring his bodyguards and walk all alone in the most peaceful country in Africa. Unlike some other countries where he has to be worried about possible kidnapping and body odor that can make the most strongest and healthiest 21-year-old biggest streamer look sick.
Do this for Real Madrid, do this for Ronaldo. You have to skate, bro! Bro, you have to skate, this for Ronaldo, man. Bro. Watch out. Tell you I don't skate. Ronaldo doesn't skate. Go do it for him, man. Let's skate park, man. Man, let's skate park. You have to skate, please. I don't skate. Please. I'm begging you. Don't skate, man. Bro, I don't skate. You have to skate. I don't skate. You have to skate. You skate. You the skateboarder. Yeah.
So ISHOWSPEED is in Ghana as part of his Speed Does Africa Tour, a 20-country African tour aimed at showcasing the continent's culture and countries to his global audience. He's been welcomed with excitement at the Kotoka International Airport, with fans and motorbikers showing up to greet him. During his stay, he is expected to engage in cultural activities, meet locals, and share his experience with his millions of followers online. Yes, as ISHOWSPEED Day Ghana, so if you wanna Ghana jollof, you come taste. Wanna Ghana music, wanna Ghana wachi, wanna emutu, wanna teozafi, wanna kenke, call me kenke, and explore Ghana deepest, entering one our cultures and learning from the Ghanaian culture. Yes, as we enter Nigeria, we all see some.
50,000. What? 50,000. This don't make you happy? This one cannot buy fuel for me. What? Cannot even buy fuel for me. I'm angry. Damn, how much you, bro? See, so now you picky too? I told you $10,000 can make me happy for you. Yes. Chat, bro.
It's Igungo, the most popular lifestyle interviewer in Africa. How you doing? Congratulations on your 50,000 sub. How do you feel?
50 million.
Yeah.
Not 50,000.
Okay, 50 million. Really?
Yeah.
You work so hard. Happy birthday to you. How old are you today?
21.
Jesus Christ. And you look so healthy and strong. Sorry, when did you start this? When did you start?
What?
When did you start this year? When did you start?
How did you start, Bob?
How did you start it? How did you start?
15.
So, I know people make jest of you when you started. Now you are going global. So, how do you feel where you are today?
Pardon?
How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Yes.
I feel good.
All right. Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
God bless you. All right.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Hey, so these are some of the planned activities where ISHOWSPEED they come do for Ghana. One, be the cultural experience. Yes, he will explore Ghana's vibrant culture, music, and food as well. Like I said, jollof radio, kenke no watch yes, meetups as well. He will be interacting with local creators, fans, and possibly celebrities like Ejaya and Abenaleto, Numona Ade, made in Ghana and Azo, and one of new streamers really pop up for this country. Yes, live streams as well, sharing his Ghana experience with his global audience, and of course, tourism, highlighting Ghana's rich history, landmarks, and natural attractions. Me sure say Obeko Cape Coast, channel how his people, his forefathers, so if you haven't seen any of the videos where they pop up on social media, and they come highlight everything to you. But then, if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to put the bell on post notification. This is the 22 Miles Hub.
Go back. Yo, go back.
Rule number one, never think it can't happen to you. Rule number two.
The nigga is out. We're gonna do that shit. We need ISHOWSPEED out. March all the streets in Accra. Stop playing. Why you see them make me look? Yeah, what you go do? Squad. Yeah, the nigga need that. Yeah, get for him. Back to the Speed,